Well, this is the Hoshizaki Snowflake Generation 2. So we've already had 4 years of the Generation 1, which was successful. So we brought out improved Generation 2 product for the marketplace. Now this is our refrigeration range for the more price-sensitive part of the refrigeration market.
Okay.
And I'd just like to run you through some of the benefits and features of this product.
Excellent.
It's a stainless steel construction inside and out. And obviously we've got, again, the integral handles running the full length of the doors for our single doors, double doors, and also the counters as well. So, and on the inside, we have the moulded shelf runners.
Right.
Again, great for cleaning, great for hygiene for this side, and also because this one's a double door, we have your traditional runners on the inside there, and anti-tilt shelves as well.
Fantastic.
Which is quite important. And again, for this part of the marketplace, that's quite an unusual feature.
Absolutely.
And for a high specification. Okay.
But what you're saying is on the single door you would have the moulded interior?
Absolutely. Single door would be moulded on both sides, but still have the anti-tilt shelves.
Sure.
So again, we would 3 shelves with the Snowflake Generation 2 range, and we would also recommend that there was always one on the bottom to give it the decent airflow that it needs. The bottom well is also one piece, so there's no gaps in the bottom, so if any fluid or moisture gets in the bottom, it can be cleaned up and it's not going to escape into the cabinet and ruin the integrity of the installation.
Fantastic.
Okay. They all have a light, an LED light, a lock, a digital control panel, again, which allows us to go up in increments of 1 degree.
Okay.
But what makes this range unusual for this price point product is that they're a meat cabinet as standard. So the refrigeration goes down to a -5.
Excellent.
Up to +12.
So you've got complete
So you've got
flexibility there.
flexibility as a meat cabinet and a refrigerator. So again, in this part of the marketplace, that's quite an unusual feature to have.
Brilliant. And with regards to your freezer, what temperature range is that
Okay,
running
and
at?
again, that would be -18 down to -5.
Fantastic. So a lot of flexibility in the whole range.
Indeed, and there's a range of 7 cabinets, which also include blast chiller, freezer. So we have a 5 grid and a 10 grid blast chiller freezer, and again, in this part of the marketplace, that's quite unusual to have a freezer incorporated into the chiller as well.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And with regards to the standard cabinet range, what have you got?
We have a single door upright fridge, 600 litre, a single door upright freezer, which is 600 litre, a double door freezer, 1300 litre, a double door fridge, 1300 litre, and then a 2-section, a 3-section, and a 4-section counter, a refrigerated counter, which again goes down to -5, which is a meat counter.
Fantastic. So you've got the bases covered pretty
We
much.
have, and we also have a variation of drawer options on our counters.
Right.
Again, within this part of the marketplace, again,
Pretty
is
unusual.
quite unusual.
And what about warranty, support, after sales care, etc.?
With this product, there is a 2-year parts and labour warranty with this product.
Thanks very much for the run through.
That's my pleasure.
Cheers,
Thank you.
Thanks.